Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to bake a German apple cake with raisins. I'm going to bake the apple cake with raisins, and this is not normal raisins, this is the raisins with rum. I have about 125 grams, it's about 1 cup exactly. Of course, you need apples. I have 3 apples here. I have Granny Smith, and I'm going to put 2 of them inside my cake and 1 of them on top of the cake. I'm going to peel the apples and then cut them very small pieces. I have here about 330 grams of granulated sugar. It's about 1.5 cups. I'm going to put about 300 grams inside, and the rest I'm going to put on top with the apples together. I have 2 eggs here. They are medium size. I have 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. You can also use sunflower oil. I would not recommend to use olive oil. I have here 250 grams of all-purpose flour. It's about 2 cups. I have 1 package vanilla sugar. It's about 8 grams. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I preheated my oven for about 175 degrees Celsius. It's about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put the eggs inside, the vanilla sugar. As I mentioned before, I will not put all of my sugar inside. I will leave a little bit like this much here. I think it's about 30 grams here. Put it aside and put on top of my cake later. So I'm going to beat this until it's a little bit pale for 3 minutes or so. Put the oil inside too. And I'm going to beat for about 3 minutes too in a medium speed. Put in all the dried ingredients inside. Mix that all together until well combined. Keep it aside. Put all the rum raisins inside. Oh, I could smell the rum. It smells really good. And I'm going to cut the apples in. Going to peel the apples now. Core the apple. This is how I cut my apples normally. Cut into quarters, like 4 quarters. And cut into very thin slices. Put inside directly. Mix all of that together. So I'll put inside my baking pan. Looks a little bit like caramel, like hard. But don't worry about that as soon as you bake that, which is really good. spread the batter as even as possible. I'm going to slice the last apple into really thin slices and lay the slices on top of the batter. Now you can spread the sugar on top of the apple slices. Don't worry, because the cake is not so sweet. Perfect. And bake this for about 45 to 55 minutes. This is my German apple cake. Be generous with the powdered sugar because this cake, I'm telling you, is not too sweet at all. I'm going to cut a piece so you literally can see how it looks like inside.